No, come back. Come here. We did chalk drawings.
Okay, here we go. Oh,
There's Grace. Go. One push and you're done.
That was awesome. Okay.
Wow.
Somebody had a Harley.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. We're all just sitting
We're
around.
just hanging out in Southern
Just-
California.
Is that
Just
video?
hanging out. Yeah.
Oh,
And there's a little beach over here.
So good. Yay. Okay, you want me to take it over here so that they...
Another garden.
Oh, I'll hold this, then you can ride toward them.
Look at this little Rapunzel tea pourer. That is so cute. These are the cutest things ever. Oh my gosh, Little Mermaid.
you want to hit the princess ball?
Oh, wait.
Last one. Here you go.
Princess tea time.
Grace, how did you used to hit the ball off the tee? Can you show? Remember how you used to do it?
Ooh, that was actually a good one.
She's got an uppercut.
That is good.
She can do
Yeehaw!
whatever she wants.
One more time.
1, 2, 3.
Grace,
Oh, look.
now
Oh,
camera.
Get over there, Allison. Hi. There, thank you.
Jamie.
You just press off.
Apparel. They have American Apparel. Oh gosh. Brandy Melville American Apparel. Here I come. Hello. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh my gosh. Well, Irvine Spectrum, it's been real. Here's my bed. So tired. Good night. I'll see you in the morning with coffee and stuff. Bye. Saying goodbye to my bed for the night. I had a great night's sleep, and now we're on to Marie Callender's to get food and pie, and then I'll be back at Grace's. So this is it for Great Aunt Linda's apartment. Just taking one last look before I go. Just got to Marie Callender's. Woo-hoo! We got our pies. I got chocolate cream pie, and Aunt Linda got chocolate cream pie too. And then, what was the name of your pie?
Blueberry cream.
Blueberry cream pie. And now we're gonna eat it. Thank you, Marie Callender. You were so delicious. Especially your pies. Especially your chocolate pies.
What is that? You got something? I like a better horizontal.
Oh, it's pointing.
Okay.
But I don't know it.
It's called a
That's the sign for hips.
We're just here. Design.
oh yeah.
That's the sign. That's the sign
That's
for hipster.
it. You're right.
Show us what you got, Grace.
It's called Big O.
Okay.
So when you open it,
Let's get in on this action.
Whoa.
looks good.
Whoa.
Hold on, let me take a picture.
I do want to wait till my drink is here.
I'm excited.
You're eating it too?
No. You said I could have some.
The sugar, yeah.
Cheese shop with a cow. Mew, 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 mew.
This is the cutest place ever.
It smells really good. Oh shoot. It's documented now. Amazing. How excited are you to drink that?
So excited. First, I'm really excited to take a picture of it.
And put it up on Instagram. And then this is Grace's. She got like a rose petal lemonade. Way too fancy for me. I don't like anything rose. It is cute.
I want to taste that.
Where's mine? How is it? Oh my gosh, how is it?
It's good. It's strong.
Oh, it's like Starbucks strong?
Yeah, well, stronger, but it's good.
And look, it's still like it. It's still really cute. Pew, 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 pew. So cute and Asian. Can I try it?
No.
It looks really good.
It's not worth it.
Tastes like lemonade.
Now see call.
So I should have got ice because they use hot chocolate instead of like normal. I mean, they use chocolate milk instead of normal milk.
I know. I would love to have the iced mocha because you said it tastes like chocolate milk.
I know. I should have done that. Oh well.
There you go. Meat.
Oh. But for real.
Ooh, look at these toys. That's so cute. So good. This one's my favorite. Coconut rosemary. I don't think we should. Oh,
Yes, there is.
I doing that. We found more bathrooms. Bye. Wait, let's record in there. Not loud.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
It's just as cool as the outside.
Come on now. Look at all the juice.
We just entered the cutest little cafe outside area. Oh shoot. Someone had some, okay. Well, that's what it was and it was really cute. Oh, and it has a little garden outside it. How amazing. Oh yeah, check out the wood. Not supposed to be sexual. Pocahontas. Oh yeah. It's going on the highway!
Thank you.
Phone went. Oh. What is the speed limit?
I don't even know, but look at everybody. They're going so fast.
I'd be having a heart attack.
Different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my cylinder missing. Pull up to the scene with my cylinder.
Gonna go get shaved ice!
To the scene with my cylinder.
Here it is. You like? Do you like what I got?
I was gonna try it.
Yeah, you can try it. Go ahead. Strawberry and gummy worms. What? You think I should put that on it?
I like it. You should try it like on the side. It sounds gross, but I like it.
What is it?
Use something you don't like.
What?
Condensed milk.
It tastes good. It makes it taste
It's good. I like it.
Ooh, look at me being the culinary artist. I meant to film us eating In-N-Out, but I got a little excited and I kind of ate it all already.